Divine Collective, every great thing that is headed your way, Spirit is saying, is well deserved, okay? So treat yourself in this season. I keep hearing remove the guilt, okay? Maybe it is some of you are feeling guilty as you're watching those around you that have wronged you receive long overdue karma. And it's time to remove that guilt, Divine Collective. You have to know that these energies were given ample opportunities, Spirit is telling me, to do right by you, to give back what they had taken, Divine Collective, to right their wrongs, okay? To apologize. But these people that are going through, you know, that are in the Five of Pentacles, that are losing things, Divine Collective, that are just experiencing what seems like some of the worst luck ever, it's important that you know that this is energy returning, Divine Collective, coming back full circle, and coming back to those that thought what they were doing in the dark was not being seen, or that they were going to get away with it. Some of these people, Spirit says, they don't even believe in karma. They didn't believe in karma. Okay? So treat yourself in this season. Again, everything that you have, Divine Collective, is well deserved. You've worked so hard for these blessings that are headed your way. Okay? We're starting out with a fraudulent marriage. Control freak. Someone here is a control freak. I heard the black sheep is often underestimated. 7 months, divine timing. I'm hearing patient now brings long-term abundance. Stay focused and consistent. Great things take time to manifest, Divine Collective, okay? Someone is now realizing that nobody compares to you. I feel like I'm speaking to someone who was considered to be the black sheep. Maybe you felt like you just never fit in, or you never belonged, Divine Collective. A lot of you ended up in relationships with, it seems, very controlling energies here, in marriages with very controlling energies, all right? Which then ended up in a lot of separations, because I have someone here realizing now, after everything, that no one compares to you, Divine Collective. I'm hearing divine truth is restoring balance, okay? Not because the chosen seek revenge, Spirit says, but because divine truth eventually restores balance on its own. Don't look, confirmation, Divine Collective, okay? Don't feel bad for them. That is what the card says. That is what the card says. I was intuitively picking up on that. You have to remove the guilt. Don't feel bad for these energies, Divine Collective, who need exorcisms. A lot of these energies, they are dealing with attachments, demonic possessions, Divine Collective, unnecessary irritations. I'm getting the exchange of energies will change everything, Spirit says. Spirit says that they mistook your kindness for vulnerability. These are inconsistent energies. You're showing up in the energy of the star, Divine Collective. Healing after realizing you were never meant to shrink yourself to match dysfunction. Okay? Plot twist. I'm getting the Empress, the Divine Feminine. You are an Earth Angel, Divine Collective. You create, nurture, and attract abundance naturally. Embrace your worth, Spirit says. You are worthy of love, luxury, and all blessings. Spirit needs you to hear that. Again, Divine Collective. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of luxury. You are worthy of all blessings. Okay? A lot of you are being guided away from chaos here. Someone here in your energy, they're still lying, Divine Collective. I'm hearing that they don't deserve your time nor your energy. So I feel like in some situations, some of you are being guided away from a specific environment or person because this is someone who's been lying. This is a very chaotic energy I'm picking up on, possibly a Cancer. There's a Cancer here who's being blocked from your energy. There's a bloodline entity. Spirit says a curse has been broken on this timeline. A curse has been broken, a bloodline entity. I hear a lot of people praying here, Divine Collective. It's like I'm picking up on an abundance of people praying in synchronicity together here. While I'm doing the reading, it's happening while I'm thinking about what I'm going to say next. I'm hearing prayers. There's a lot of stressed out people here that are praying very hard, that was finding it hard to accept reality, Spirit is saying. emancipation. These are people who need to break free of this self-limiting mindset or these restrictions holding them back. They need to break free of this, Spirit says, and stop playing in your energy. Worry and humiliation through false accusations. Clarify. Spirit says they don't like themselves. So that's why they project, Divine Collective. They try to humiliate others and cause worry, fear, anxiety through false accusations because they don't like themselves. Spirit is telling me. 7:47 on the clock. Release the energy of perfectionism. The Grim Reaper is here. Divine Collective. Clarify, please. The Grim Reaper, clarify. You've healed yourself, Divine Collective. You've healed yourself. They thought that they'd get away with this. And now someone is sick to their stomach watching you. After deceiving you. They thought they had it all figured out. I feel like someone that, there's also a third party here that worked along with an ex that was helping them. That's what Spirit is telling me, Divine Collective. A dysfunctional family dynamic. Spirit says that there's so much karmic debt here in this storyline because this person just kind of left you hanging. They abandoned you. And they're extremely angry, 911 on the clock, because you're moving forward, you're shining. And they thought that they could replace you here, Divine Collective, but they were so wrong. And they're angry about this. They don't want to accept this new reality I'm hearing, 9:30 on the clock. I'm getting new home, new car, relocation, traveling, awareness and clarity. There's a power struggle, Divine Collective. Power struggle here within this timeline. Because you continue to grow, you continue to heal. I'm getting higher learning, education, and I'm picking up on a power struggle.